From Bighorn Sheep to digital installers installing an outdoor landscape audio system by Ambisonic. Enjoy the video. And here we are digging the subwoofer hole because we went with an underground 12-inch sub. And here we are just getting ready to test all the speakers. We wired them all up, making sure that they're in the perfect placement so it sounds right. So the next morning we can really fine tune and nail them all down. Here's a great audio track by Citizen Cope. So with this outdoor burial sub, they want us to put P-Rock, so that's what we just did. And this thing is buried in just the top of the subwoofer exposed, like the little mushroom cap. It's about 19 inches wide, and we buried it like 27 inches deep.
It's a damn good feeling to run these roads. It's a damn good feeling.
All right, these ribbon tweeters are just incredible. They're outdoor, weatherized, they are ready to go, and it sounds like a concert hall. You gotta hear them. Just ran right by the subwoofer. And this is the Bighorn Sheep that's protected in this area, and this is in La Quinta, California. So pretty awesome to hang out with these guys, and here I am just hopping in the pool and trying to swim with them. They did scare me quite a bit though. All right, that's a wrap. We got to get going. Hope you guys enjoyed the 4.1 Ambisonic system as much as we did. If you want to hear it, come to Digital Installers and check it out.